page. Okay, now we're going to be working with withholding taxes, okay? There are 4 required taxes that come out of each person's paycheck: federal withholding, state withholding, Medicare, and Social Security. Okay? First, we're going to learn to find federal and state, and then I'll go over Social Security and Medicare with you. Okay? You should have tax tables. You should have this sheet and tax tables to be able to work with, because we'll go back and forth between the two. And I'll show you how to use them. In your tax tables, you should have weekly federal, it's 2 pages, monthly federal, 2 pages, state weekly, and the last page, state monthly. So what we're going to do, it says, for a single person who made $282 last week, this is what you filled out on your W-4 that we talked about. You're a single person, okay? So we're going to come here, weekly federal, you made $282. We can find it right here, $280 to $290, okay? And you're single, so we're going to come over here. And how much is going to be withheld? $5. Okay, go to your state weekly, because you get paid weekly. Okay, this time you're single, still single, I got married, $282 to $290, and $1 will be withheld. So you just find the right tax table and look it up. Okay, also this time we're going to learn, I'm going to move your tax tables, we're going to learn how to do percentages, which would be your Social Security and your Medicare. To find Social Security, you take your gross pay, I'm going to put this right up here, times 6.2% to find Social Security. To find Medicare, you'll take your gross pay times 1.45%. Okay, so get your calculator. I'll get mine. I'm going to take $282, my gross pay, times 6.2%, and I'll get $17.48 for my Social Security. For Medicare, I'm still going to use $282, that's my gross pay, times 1.45% to get $409 for my Medicare. You just take the gross pay times those percentages. So federal and state, you use tax tables, percentages for Social Security and Medicare. Okay, let's do the next one. For a head of household who made $282 last week, we'll need our tax table again. We know it's weekly, weekly federal, still at $282, but this time it's head of household. So we'll use the standard deduction for head of household, and it comes up to be 0. For state, for $282, this time head of household, it's also going to be what? 0. If I wanted to do Social Security and Medicare, it would come up with the same numbers as above because my gross pay did not change. Okay, let's look at number 3. For a single person who made $563 last week. Okay, we've got a single person, $563, all the way over standard, $35. I'm going to go to my state weekly. $563 was the gross pay. Single. 14. We're head of household? Nope, we're just single. $14. All right, this time we can find Social Security and Medicare. 6.2% times 563. $34.91. Medicare, 563 times 1.45%. Oh, I messed up on my calculator there. Let's do that again. $8.16. Okay, let's go ahead and flip on the back. And we'll do one monthly. For a married, filing jointly, spouse doesn't work person who made $12.90 last month. So this time we have to go to federal monthly. And we're going to look up here at the top. This is somebody filing jointly, spouse doesn't work. Okay, that's right here for us. And the amount was $12.90. So we're going to have to find $12.90. Then I get 0. Oops. And then for monthly state, let's make sure we get to the right place. Married filing jointly. Spouse doesn't work. Come all the way to the last column. Okay, and it's $12.90. Notice on this one it goes $12.60 to $12.90, $12.90 to $13.20. A rule of thumb is always use the second time it is printed. So I'm going to use the top one up there. It's still 0. And that's how you find your taxes there. Okay, we'll go ahead and finish this one out with Social Security and Medicare. $12.90 times 6.2% is $79.98. And $12.90 times 1.45%. Oh, that's a little high, isn't it? I can't get this to work. Now we're talking $18.71. Okay? This should be able to finish federal withholding taxes. Okay? State and Medicare and Social Security.